Hello and welcome back to the Kalani Race Circuit in Cape Town, South Africa. I am in the new Polo GTI. My esteemed colleague and racing driver Ash is in the new limited edition Renault Clio RS18 F1 EDC. Both of us have dual clutch gearboxes. I have a 2-litre turbocharged engine. Ash has a 1.6-litre turbocharged engine. My car has more torque, his car has more power, but my car is heavier. We both have launch control. This is going to be close. All right, let's do this, Ash.
Rad, okay. Let's attempt to do a drag race. You need to get out ahead of this Polo GTI or its torque will just eat me for the rest of the run. You need to get out in front, have a little bit of a lead, and then it'll be close.
Sport mode. Here we go. DSC off.
Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I've got the launch.
Oh, go little Polo. That's a lot of wheel spin. The Clio's got me.
Oh, I can see him coming back. He's coming back at me.
Am I going to reel him in? Yes, I'm pulling him back. Look at this little Polo go. This is neck and neck.
Come on, finish line. Come on, finish line. Why is so much faster in a straight line?
And we're across the line. I think I got it. Oh, a word by a nose. Yes. Good launch, Ash.
Got him to like 60. Yeah, man, I just can't hold you off.
I will give this Polo credit for one thing. It just spins its tires and the traction control does not get involved.
Hey, Ash.
Hey, Ciro.
Do you wear special shoes when you drive race cars?